I'm Melrena, and today's tips is editing. And by editing, I mean working edits. So, not at the very end when you're editing for your final edit, but just as you're writing and as you go along. So, three really basic tips that are super easy you can do yourself with no assistance, free, etc. That is spell check, just basic spell check. And then you yourself proofreading, looking for commas, periods, all that stuff, right? Just simple, basic. And then the third one is reading out loud. So if you've never done this before, it might be a little uncomfortable, and you can just get into a room by yourself or a space, you have where no one's going to hear you. But read to yourself, and that helps you find your own errors. Then for proofreading, outside of yourself, because that's usually best if you have somebody else do it. And if you're uncomfortable giving your work to someone else, that's okay. You don't have to do that right now. Just do the out loud. But to tap into your network, either family or friends that, are going to be more than happy to do this for you, ask them to do a proofread. Now, keep in mind, you got to be specific on what you're asking them for. Are you asking them to proofread? Are there spelling errors, typos, etc.? Or do you want structural feedback, story feedback, etc.? Keep in mind, especially if it's family, it doesn't matter what you ask for. They're going to tell you what they think anyway. So just, word of warning on that one. But reach out to your network, have some proofreaders, get a little group of proofreaders that will help you. I had tons at the beginning. They were more than happy to do it. And those are the first steps in editing. I also have two really great online folks that I am going to point you to. They helped me tremendously. One's a full-on community, and one is two specific editing videos of words not to use, instrumental in changing the quality of my work for me personally, my opinion, of course, but it gave me the confidence level like 100% more than what I had before I found these two videos. So those are coming up next.